Installing the AC power cable. Check that both DC switches are in the off position. Connect a PE cable. Crimp the OT terminals using hydraulic pliers. Loosen the 2 screws on the maintenance compartment door. Open the door and install the support bar. Remove the cover and hang it on the hook of the door. Route the cable through the cable gland. Remove an appropriate length of the jacket and insulation layer from the AC output power cable. Install the AC output power cable. Tighten the cable gland.